The latest on the public hearings into February's Tuas blast. A project engineer of the company involved was grilled on the stand on why he had deleted potentially incriminating text messages. Lawyers sought to make the case that he did so to cover up the fact that he had allowed for potentially unsafe checks under his watch. The blast left 3 dead and several others injured. Lily Ying has more.
A photo that shows a damaged heater with burnt wiring wrapped up in green tape inside a mixer machine. That's the focus of the day's hearing. Mr. Lwin Motun is the project engineer of Stars Engineering, whose workers were killed in the blast. He had deleted the photo after the explosion. Mr. Lwin received the photo from workshop supervisor Subayan Marimutu just before the explosion. Mr. Marimutu was one of 3 staff killed in the blast. Mr. Lwin was grilled on the stand as to what he thought the workers were trying to do when he saw the photo. Mr. Lwin said he thought the workers were trying to check the condition of a cable linked to the machine. But State Counsel Christy Tan pointed out that it would be unsafe to do so with the heater wiring taped up. She suggested that he should be knowledgeable, having been trained in risk management. He disagreed. As to why he deleted the photo, State Counsel Tan suggested that he did so to cover up the fact that he felt guilty that he did not stop the workers from doing the potentially unsafe checks. He disagreed. When pressed, he said that he had panicked because he was the last person in contact with Mr. Marimutu. But he didn't elaborate when asked why he was afraid. Another issue that surfaced was that several workers had testified that they were working more hours than was officially recorded. Mr. Lwin was in charge of managing the timesheets and claimed that the additional hours were reflected. But he could not produce those in court as the colleague who has access to the system was on leave. He has been asked to produce the timesheets when he returns to court on Friday. The first tranche of hearings into the accident is expected to end on October 8.